Be quiet. Life of a dog mom. What's up, you guys? It's your girl Sierra and welcome back to my channel. I'm back and I'm better, and I am going to show you guys how I refresh my twists that I have in my head right now. So I have had these twists for about 3 weeks, I want to say, and they're getting pretty old. So I just want to refresh them really quickly. I'm just going to show you guys how I like to do that. So if you don't know, I originally got these. If I'm looking over there, it's because I have a mirror right next to me so I can see myself. But if you guys don't know, I originally did these twists myself because I was going on vacation to Myrtle Beach and I didn't want to wear out my natural hair to the beach. So I just did these twists myself along with one of my friends. She also has a YouTube channel where she talks about her natural hair and a bunch of other fun stuff. So I'll put her information down in the description box. These are my edition of passion twists. So we use the rubber band method and we basically just came up with these twists. They're super long. They come all the way down to my waist. Now, I don't know how many twists I have, but I have a lot. So basically I just want to refresh my hair because it's looking a little crusty and I want to make this last until school starts. Also, let me know if you guys like this new setup. I'm trying something new so that the back of my videos don't look so boring or bland. If you like this new setup, drop a blue heart so that I know that you guys are messing with it, and I will continue to do it. I'm just going to start by picking out the twists that I think need refreshed the most, and then I'm just going to section that away from the hair that I'm not really going to mess with. These are the twists that I'm going to be working with, so I'm just going to take the rest of my hair and put it in a low ponytail to the back. So this hair that I'm not going to use right now, I'm going to put this to the back. Well, the hair that I'm not going to work on right now, I'm going to put this to the back. So basically, I'm going to start by taking this little jewel that I have in my hair. Can you guys see that? This little jewel that I have in my hair, I'm going to take that out so that I can unravel the twist. And once I got the jewel out, I'm just going to start from the bottom and unravel the twist. So this is why I said that you're going to need scissors. So as you can see, as I'm unraveling the twist, the hair has started to wrap around the twist. I'm just going to take my scissors and cut the fake hair, not my real hair. Cut the fake hair so that I can continue unraveling this twist. Nala, hush. You're ruining my video, mama. You're fine. And then once I get all the way to the top, I'm just going to find the rubber band that I use to attach my hair. And I'm just going to pull that rubber band, take my scissors, and cut that rubber band. So once I got that rubber band off, I'm just going to move my hair around so that I can get the fake hair from unraveled with my hair. As you can see, I got some buildup up around my roots, and I just want to comb that out a little bit. Alright, so now that I pretty much got some of that debris off of my hair, I'm just going to take my Style Factor Edge Booster. It's a little edge control. And I'm just going to put it on this section of my hair, on my roots. And then I'm going to take a rubber band that has oil around it so that it doesn't break off my hair. And I'm just going to tie that around this section. So the same way that I'm refreshing some of the ones in the front is the exact same way that I actually did this style. So once I got my rubber band on, this is pretty much what it looks like. And then I'm going to take my crochet needle. It looks like this. And I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to take my crochet needle, stick it at the root under the rubber band. Take my hair, twist it up a little bit so that I can hook it onto the crochet needle just like this. Close that little latch as you can see, and then just bring that right through. Once I got that through, I'm going to take, oh, my hair is caught in my earring. I'm going to take 1/2 of the hair and pull it all the way through. Damn, it keeps getting caught in my earring. Pull it all the way through just like this. So as you can see, I got hair on both sides of like my hair. So once I've done that, I'm going to split my hair in half just like this and tighten it so that it can get closer to the root. I'm going to take my Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie, put that on the length of my hair. Make sure you add some of that product to the ends of your hair because the ends are the driest part and you want to make sure that part of your hair stays moisturized for sure. And then I'm going to take some Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel and I'm just going to put that on the whole section of my hair just like this. Split that into two. Take 1/2 of the fake hair and then put it together with my hair. And I'm going to twist all the way down. Alright, so once I get to the bottom of the twist, I just take it and twirl it around my finger just like that. And then those little crispies like this, those little ugly things, I just snip them off. And I have a fresh little twist, as fresh as it's gonna get. So another way that I like to do it is this way. I'm gonna take the jewel off again, and then like before, I'm gonna start from the bottom and unravel the twist all the way up. Once I have gotten to the top, I'm going to take my real hair out of the fake hair, which is right here in the middle. And I'm going to do the same thing. Just add my Curl Enhancing Smoothie onto my real hair so that I can smooth it down and moisturize it. And then I'm going to take my Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel and do the exact same thing. Put it on this section just to smooth it. I be making some of the ugliest faces when I do my hair, I swear. And then I'm going to put those two pieces back together like they were in the twist. Well, before I start twisting. And then I'm just going to start twisting. Here is what the finished product looks like for the newly twisted twist. And then I'm just going to take my jewel and put it right back on my hair. I'm going to do these 4 twists and then I'm going to come back and show you guys how I like to just refresh the whole thing as a whole. Be right back in like 2 seconds for you, but like 20 minutes for me. Alright, so I have finished retwisting all the twists that I wanted to basically touch, and I also did my edges. So yeah, this is just what my hair looks like. I'm gonna turn around, let you see the back.
Bruh.
Along with that, I'm going to show you guys how I like to sleep with my hair like this and what I like to do on a daily basis to just sleep with this hair. So it's pretty simple. It's actually really easy. There's not much to it. And I found this was the easiest way for me to sleep with my hair like this, especially when it was fresh, like when I first did it myself. So I use 2 products right before bed. I don't use these 2 products every day. It really just depends on what my hair is looking like after that day. So if I need, you know, some more moisture or some shine, or my hair is just looking super frizzy because it rained that day, I will use these 2 products. So the first one is the Iso Plus Natural Remedy Tea Tree Foaming Wrap / Set Lotion. It's basically just a mousse. I love this mousse because it has an extreme hold, meaning that my hair can be hella frizzy, and then I put this on it and it's not as frizzy as it was before. And then the next thing is my Cream of Nature Argan Oil Anti-Humidity Gloss and Shine Spray. This works amazing, but I hate that I'm using this on this specific hairstyle just because it's so expensive. So if you need a shine spray and you don't want to use this one because of how expensive it is, I would recommend the OGX Shine Mist or whatever. I was going to get one of those, but I've just been so lazy and not going to the store and just been using this. But I'm going to regret it. I just threw it across the room if you didn't know. But I'm going to regret it when I go to straighten my hair because I'm not going to have any left. And that's my favorite product to use when I straighten my hair. Anyways, I use that product when I need some more shine and my hair is just looking extra crispy, like it's gonna catch on fire. I'm just gonna start by splitting my hair down the middle from the back and also from the front. And then it should be pretty even on both sides. I try to make sure that it's pretty even on both sides. So yeah, I'm gonna take my mousse and I'm gonna pump about 3 pumps in my hand, 4, and I'm gonna go on one side of my hair and just smooth this at towards the roots of my hair, mainly where my natural hair is, because that's where it's frizzing the most and that's where it's having the most like extra not cute look is. And I'm just gonna continue to add more. I added about 3 more pumps, and I'm just really, if you can see me like pushing the product into my hair to make sure that it lays down within the twist, and I'm also pulling it down and smoothing it onto my twist. It pretty much just helps my hair stay inside of the twist instead of like poking out and be like, hey boo, I'm here and I want to be seen. After that side, I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. Take about 4 pumps and put it on like the mid shaft / roots of my hair. Sorry if you see this fat ass band-aid on my hand. I actually cut my hand trying to find my tapestry today. I'm taking about 3 more pumps and I'm gonna put that like towards the back of my hair and also on some parts that I feel like I missed when I put the first round on. Is that how I'm gonna say it right now? First round, like I'm boxing or something. Let me stop cussing for my grandma be like, Sia, you gotta just appeal to everyone, not people in your age bracket, blah blah blah. What about the old people that want to support you and they don't like cussing and you just start cussing on your channel? So after I have done that, I'm gonna take my shine spray and just spritz that all over my hair. I'm gonna spritz that all the way down to the ends because this connect along hair can be looking a little crust. And I'm gonna do it on the other side. And I'm gonna make sure I take my hands and just rub that oil through my hair. So yeah, after I pretty much do that, to get ready to go to bed, I'm gonna take my giant ass bonnet and I'm literally just gonna stuff all my twists in this bonnet. Look at me exposing myself on the internet. This is why I don't got no millions. When I first got my hair done like this, I used to put my hair up in a giant bun and go to sleep, but that just caused too much tension on my edges right here and on the nape of my neck, and it hurt extremely badly. And I also wasn't comfortable sleeping because the bun was so heavy on top of my head. I literally found myself holding my bun while sleeping. But yeah, this is just pretty much how I sleep, literally with all the hair just stuffed in my bonnet like this, because it was the most comfortable for me, and I noticed that it didn't affect my hair in any way. It doesn't make it frizzier, it doesn't make it scrunch up weird, like you know what I'm talking about. It don't make it do any of that. It literally just protects it from rubbing against the cotton and causing more frizz. All right, you guys, so that's it for this video. If you like this, don't forget to thumb me up and leave a comment down below. Also, don't forget about my social media platforms. I'll leave my Instagram and my Twitter down below in the description box. This is somewhere on the screen. Y'all, I am on the road to 2,000 followers on Instagram, so make sure you go and check out my Instagram, and if you like it, go ahead and hit follow. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. It really warms my heart. But yeah, until next time, peace.